Hi everyone, welcome to this week's craft challenge. This week we are going to be making some candles, so you're just going to need some candle wax. We got ours from Michael's. Some containers to pour your candle into. It doesn't have to be a glass, it can be a mason jar or anything that you want. You need kind of a double boiler setup, so we are using a glass bowl and a pot that we're going to be making our own double boiler out of. You will also need some candle wicks. We also got these at just a craft store, Michael's. We are going to keep it a little bit simple with our candles this week. We are going to be doing orange scented, orange colored candles. So we just have some sweet orange scented essential oil and just some food coloring. And this craft should be done with parental supervision because the wax can be flammable if it gets too hot. So we have some baking soda here just in case that happens. So let's get into it. So here we're just filling our pot with some boiling water. We want it to touch the bottom of the bowl that we're putting in. Then you're just going to add your wax and let the boiling water heat it up and melt it. We kept it on a fairly low temperature of about 2 or 3 on our stove. And then once your wax is all melted, you're just going to place your wick in your container and hold it up with something. We just used a ruler. We also used a funnel for pouring as we found it was a little bit cleaner to do it that way. There still will be some spilling, as you can see, but you just pour your liquid wax into the container and then set it aside to dry while you clean up the excess wax. We just used a hot, damp towel to soften up the wax and get it off. And then once your candle has hardened, just cut the wick. Alrighty, so there you have it. The dye did not work out the way that we thought it would, but you still have a nice scented candle that you can enjoy. And be sure to join us again next week for another craft challenge.